Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and a system plugged in or noted battery level. Once ready, open Settings with Win+I. First, navigate to System and then click Power and Battery. This is the hub for power management. You'll see a quick status of battery, screen, and sleep. Make sure Windows is up to date before deeper changes, because updates can alter power features. Once done, choose Battery Saver or Power Mode to begin tailoring behavior now, and prepare to access advanced options next. Once in additional power settings, pick a plan close to your needs and then click Change Plan Settings to modify basic timers. You'll then open Change Advanced Power Settings to see granular options: processor power management, sleep after, lid close action, and battery thresholds. Adjust minimum and maximum processor states to control performance versus heat. Reduce display timeout for battery savings. Make careful incremental changes and test for stability, because aggressive reductions can affect apps and background tasks. If you need specific guidance, continue to the final steps. You'll finalize by saving changes and optionally creating a restore point, so you can revert if things go wrong. If sleep, sudden shutdowns, or incorrect battery estimates appear, run Windows Power Troubleshooter via Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Troubleshoot. It checks common misconfigurations. Make sure device drivers, especially chipset and display, are current, because driver faults often mimic power issues. If problems persist, reset the plan to defaults or reinstall power-related drivers. This usually resolves stubborn anomalies and restores predictable power management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.